Time to explore. Okay, let's try this Dennis Diner. Okay, so we are here in by Antica. Antica. No, not into salad yet. Kasi marakalitang pizza. I feel like I'm gonna eat lots of pizza. Teng, shout out. I know you're hungry. Time check, it's 4 o'clock. It's our first meal. First good meal. From the airport, from the bus, from checking in. Kahit wala may kapag-intermittent fasting ta. Intermittent.
Maloldo.
Ayoko na kalahaya wine there, oh. Ordered lasagna and one spaghetti. We're waiting for our pizza. Here. I got this. What's that one? Oh, so cutie. I think that's too small for Liang Yang.
Ini kang dia na, may blue na.
Yeah. Kang clay tang meto.
Ini kang clay.
What's that? Yeah, put it here, Teng.
Butterfly oh.
Put it here, Teng.
Hello.
Thank you. Jane, plug me on the video. Hello. We got some shirt for shout out sa'yo, Hannes. Love you, best girl. Saka naman.
Mag-post talking tayo.
Which one?
Kanyo.
Ay, ayoko. Ay, So after our, I don't know how to say it, if it's lunch or dinner, we're here at Starbucks for a coffee. Hello. Speaking of my order. I think Pepper got her earrings. She's very prepared, but she forgot her earrings. Oh no, got na nga. You choose. Just choose. Tengo niya mo itang heart to, itang malati. That one. I hope you learn your lesson, ha. Next time, do not ever forget your earrings. Okay. Ayaman itong tanang ramen. Walang bisa akong mag-soup.
Bala ko nga, kaya hindi na tayo.
Nano? Siyempre. Hello, honey. Thank you. Carson, thank you. Ma, thank you. Shout out. Ha? Wish you are all here, guys. Shout out, Tita Del, Kondan, Kong Noel. Kailangan ko siya shout out. Oh yeah, thank you na, Bengi. Atat mo kami. Metod do diyang manyaman ni ating pe.
Poor brother.
Okay, where's the pedestrian? Kasi kinugil ke, puro ka, eat all you can. You know, I don't want anymore eat all you can. Because my yung tummy ko has a limited capacity. Okay. Where's the pedestrian? Ayan na. We're gonna cross the street because we're gonna go to... Oh, Jay! Where is your guy? Pass. Your Wigo. Okay, very good. Why don't you wear it? Teng, where's yours? Okay. What about you? Hala. Yeah, nice.
Still in my neck.
May casino, no. I don't want... Jay. We don't want to spend our hard-earned money to the casino. We just want to see the beauty of the world. The beauty. Nasisi. Diyos ko naman. Ano naman lalawin tamong kay ni view, puro lang ang kay.
Paano? Puro lang ang kay. Balo mo na.
Oh, sige. Pata na.
Balo mo na.
You know. So we are on our way to the Niagara Park Power Station with my classmates. There, Ay, makaway tamo nga na. Bala mo magkaita mo, We're all wearing white shirt. You know. Yung maka-white na ako man talaga eh. Jay has, actually all of your shirts are color white.
I only have one black.
And then you just folded it in one direction, Jay. Like, ching! Yeah. Oh, it's fine.
You think there's ahas?
Huh?
Ahas.
We're going to the falls. We use this way. Ano ka rin tayo na? So where are we? Oh, there's a hurricane. Where are we na? Oh. Okay. Ay!
One at a time. Side view.
Yep. Good balancing. Nice. Okay. That's a shortcut. Okay. Then you check your navigation system.
Malaw, yun po.
Ay, beautiful roses. Alam mo na pa kasang tinda.
Tara kayo nitang.
Tara, Kayla.
A lot.
Can we kaya? Oh yeah, we cannot cross. We cannot. Oh my goodness, those are beautiful. These roses are gorgeous.
Ay, katwada na no yun.
Happy.
Wala ka kasiguro ka.
Happy ne. How beautiful da. Ay, balo mo Canadian Shield la rin. Nirataratang katang gilid tamo.
Lanting na rin. Pasanting siya. Magkakasasay mo yun.
Adin tam, takita nga ra. Itay tang kag... Metong ya mo.
Mo lang santing da kaya.
Ayun o. That's...
Lamot siya aking hardin ng pagkasara.
O, tara. Thank you, Kai. Resume the navigation system.
Nagara
Power
Power
station in
Oh,
town.
Niagara Parks Power
Yeah, that's the
Station.
one. That's the one, te.
Tapa, oh.
So how many more
Ay,
minutes?
tabalo, ikaw na lumawi.
Jay, can you hi, Jay?
Kalawot na pa, Jay. Kini tapaan di.
Okay.
Ako portang.
Mapapawaw ka na lang sa ganda. Wow! Magnificent! Ay. Ay, what's that? No, no. What's going on here? Huh? Jay, what's going on here?
World Cup.
World Cup?
We've been looking for a little moment of something special to try and bring them back in this match.
Here, we have something here.
Woo! Go Canada! Go fight win! Ayo! Ay, ano ka dad oh? Picture sa rin.
Ano kayo rin?
Dapat natin tang makanya ni Maragula kay making Philippines ni.
Yun again.
Adin ba? Ah, alam mo, hari ka tang garbage, hari ka tang garbage, natin madagong duwatan.
Picture mo, kini Jay, oh.
Bisa ka tay?
Oh, kini mo, kini.
Ay, wala yung background mo ha. Sige, ay.
Kami natin, Jason. Come on, picture
sige,
us.
sige, sige.
Ini. Talap.
Wape, ang ganda oh. Yan oh. Tapa. Ay, Ayan, Niagara Park Power Station. Okay, we're getting closer. Ano? Ilang mga nagka-camera yung mga classmate ko.
Masati ko picture kasi kita talaga.
Yeah. No, after hour, Kai. After we... Yep. Hayapin eh. Siyempre, Canada. That's why they are, Kai. Alay ba?
Versus Norway.
Oh my God.
Which one? England.
England versus Norway.
So, Kai, which side are we?
England.
England? Okay, go
That's
England.
too close.
Yan eh.
Yung Karela.
Diyan naman kitang side eh. On that side.
Oh yeah. Let's take a picture close there. That one is better. No? Kita nga dun side.
Oh, I wonder who's Kai ni. Who's Canadian superhero? Atin niyang kayo oh. Sino kaya yun eh? Kabalo ka eh.
Ano pa na yung
For sure. Kalo pa niya si Rizal. Wapin. Pero punta lang tayo. Terry Fox?
No.
Hindi ah.
No, Terry Fox ka. Kilala ko yung Fox.
Oh, wait, si Nikola Tesla. Yung Nikola Tesla. Kala mo kilala kay...
Nikola Terry Fox.
Nikola Tesla was born to a Serbian family in the village of... Oh, Tesla.
Ay, hindi kaya Tesla.
Elon Musk. Wow, galing mo naman. Brilliant.
Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Ay, July 10
Ayun na.
Yesterday.
Galing na naman. Ikit na yung Kai na yung Kai. Envisioning Niagara Falls na
Ano?
maging yung powerful Kai. Look Jay, we're gonna do that tomorrow. The aero car.
The balloon?
Yeah. It's part of our Kai. That's our world.
Bakit ang balon?
Yeah, di ba Karanita?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's a world.
Punta tayo US.
Yeah, that's why. Wait, I'll have to check. Nagbabagang balita. Meron pong rainbow sa likod na nagaganap sa Niagara Falls. Pero, wow, that's amazing.
Muri natin ko na makapicture ko ito.
Jay, ating picture of me, Jay. Grabe. It's just amazing. Huh? We are approaching the Niagara Park Power Station. I'm originally planning the night show, but we just want to rest.
the rain will stop.
So we'll do it now. No reservation needed. Hagger na
Ask them
blanket.
where's the
Oh,
good
there. Ha?
for the
Ayun, I think there's
light.
some... Ha?
So can we
Rest.
get the electricity for a month?
What? For?
Because it's a power station.
If you can take it as
Yeah, why not? Diba? Nangasabi mo?
nothing.
Nothing. Wait, there's a...
They used before, right?
This is the power
Or there's still ano?
station.
There's still
Okay. Yeah, baby.
Eh, mag-splash yung kiri.
Wag siya. Reading. Okay, I will read first. Technology offered. this power station run at 20 hertz frequency. Nice, one of the oldest elevator. Ay, lamining kahit kulot. Canadian, grabe. Ito na yun. Oh, they're calling me. Take picture ka. So we're going underground.
Hey guys, as everyone knows, the power station. The power station opened up in 1905 and later decommissioned in 2006. There are benches throughout the entire tunnel, as well as ponches at the end for you guys. Here's our turbine casing. Followed, you guys will see our wheel pit, which goes back 600 feet. In commission, all that water rush all the way out to our platform. If you guys have any questions, I'll answer them on your way back on up.
Oh,
Exit over
gosh.
here to the right, and then it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk.
Okay. Whew. We are 2,200 feet under the ground.
Amazing.
2,200. Whew. Whew. What a. Whew. Thank you. Whew. We are. Did you hear that? We are 2,200 feet under the ground. Oh my goodness. Can't believe it. Diyos ko po. Ay, happy na eh. Lord, wag naman. Marami pa akong pangal. Gusto ko pang kumain ng margarita pizza later. Kaya sabi ako sana, you look tired ako. I think you've been working for 8 hours more ako. Oh. See.
Pero in fairness na yung matindi. Bakit 2,000
Well, video mo na ako mo eh. Nagkamakawa ko. Kunin mo naman ako. That we are under a 2,200 feet under the ground channel. Whoa. Just can't believe it. Ay, I'm still amazed. I'm still in awe. Oh, it's unbelievable. Hindi naman. Sabi daw.
Ali naman ah. Malendo na ako. Lord, patawad.
15-minute walk mo ka. Nung bilis ata kasi maglakad ba? Ang lang bakit yung end of the tunnel? Mumurong na lang.
Diyos ko naman. Diyos ko Lord, di naman ko rin ang ligaman din kayo sa akin.
Happen eh.
We're only halfway.
We're only halfway. Halfway tapa mo. Kasi we walk so slow eh. Okay, no? O yun, John Clark. Hindi na kaya John Clark.
Dito King Clark.
Oh, yan no, he's responsible for preparing dynamite for excavation. Kasi makina naman yung excavate mo naman yan.
They were getting paid.
Grade 25.
Ay, the blast
25
would have
cents
set
per
off
hour.
more than 75 pounds of dynamite cause the tunnel to collapse. Ay, galing. Save 17 lives here today. Grabe. Worker wages just to build this 2200 tunnel. Ay, grabe. Ay. Employees would work 3 shifts each day. Grabe. Ay, no. Ay. Just can't believe it. Okay. So, this is the view of the Niagara Falls under 2200 feet. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. So, she can't believe it that she's in the US territory. She's so excited. Just like a kid. Ay, it's crazy. Oh. Ote, bisa ka pa muna, hindi balik na ya. Oh gosh. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow, Jay. Woohoo!
That?
Yep. Tomorrow, 10:30.
That?
Yeah. Oh.
Did they give us a light?
Ay, the rainbow! Look at the rainbow! Whoa! Okay. Here we are. Ay, yung rainbow, ang ganyan yung tsaka. Just amazed. Look at this. Look at this view. Woohoo. This is the US side. Ah. Ayan o. That's the US.
Hey, neighbor!
Ayan o. Those are American.
Yeah, that's the Canadian, right?
Sa Canadian.
The red
the
one.
color red. Yan eh. Grabing rainbow until now. Hi, Ned. Thank you. I'm enjoying right now. Like,
So, kanya-kanya tanah mo pagkain eh. Kanya-kanya tanah pa, nito may sira itang tunnel.
Grabe ni.
Hindi ko kaya pa naman nakita niyan eh.
Ha? Kaya ba yan? Selfie ko.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it.
The Canadians. Yan na. Tatakot ka pa muna. Hindi sabi mo balik tayo na. Nung wala, hindi natin
Hindi pa pala mas
makakita.
malapit oh.
So we're done exploring the tunnel. The underground tunnel. Just waiting for the elevator. Huh? Medyo sarili ka.
You can see it, diba? It's clear. Yo, slow ka dahil. Yo, oh. There's a ladder.
Kaya, look at the washroom of the power station. Isn't it? It's amazing. Beautiful. Ito yung washroom, pero ito lang. Niagara Park Power Station. Okay. Okay, we're gonna walk around Niagara Falls. Bali mo, miss niya pa rin siguro ini. Rain siguro ini. Heng! Tara, katatamon eh. We'll cross the street. Nah. Jay, rate your experience from 1 to 10.
9.
9? What is the missing one?
The walk was too long.
Huh?
The walk was too long.
The walk was too long. Eh, syempre, Tanalita, what do you expect? The walk was too long, ano? Sa'yo. Okay. Let's see. Niagara. Stop for pedestrian. Tara tayo. Muna lang kaya ting kung mag-stop
Talaga
lang.
ibig sabihin, o yung alam mag-start, mateko. No,
Tara.
no, see.
Ali, mag-stop lang. Halata naman kayong Philippines. Tara. Let's go. Okay na.
May kakalimutan yung certificate.
Certificate of candidacy. Aray.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, for the rain. Oh, no ka rin. Sabi mo tayo na pumuntakin. Okay. Oh, may siya. Oh, gosh.
Sorry, Papa, ba? Right there. Am I?
Wow.
Ay, right there. I know.
Basta kilalam. Somewhere.
Baboy ni.
Ken tunnel.
Kim baboy ni.
Kita lalam.
Aliwain ni, tara kita ng baboy. Kita baboy.
Tara.
Dapat kita tutulong.
Ali, side na yan eh. Makabaya kasi yung gakarin.
Other side dito. Ito nga ting hot air.
Wah. Wah ka rin niya, Ida. Okay. Oh, walking tour. Jay, okay ka mo, Jay? Are you having fun or do you still think about the casino?
My legs are dead.
No, your legs are dead.
Me, my tummy is dead.
Oh, okay. Let's fix your tummy.
I need to know.
Water?
Water.
Cold water? Putang niya kayo ning kaya ta. Table rock. Ating store kayo ni. Kining center. Oy, yung cellphone ko. Oh.
Beep beep. When they are using the beep beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep beep beep. Beep 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 beep.
Ay, Jay, oh. Casino. Danger.
Yan pala dang na ano, QR code nyo nandun, di ba? Scan
Kaya
niya
pala,
po.
kaya pala.
Eh, di pala yung bayad.
Ngayon pala galing daw mag-edit at yun nakantang bigyan tayo.
Teka, ano, Trace na ka pala nung malapit na ka?
Wapa, hindi itong bigyan.
Because of the
Agad,
QR
di ba?
Wow.
Ay, tsaka hindi mo.
Tsaka yung tamo tayo. Ay, wakit ito talalam na nita.
Not that
Ayan, oh, ita rainbow ka rin.
Ito down. Yan patag
Underground.
Wow.
Di ba? Malila. Ila kanya ng mali. Ano naman yung ura?
Kasi kalawat na ning lekarang tamo ngayon, kaya mirasta ka rin. Kaya 15 minutes walk.
Well, imagine pa kanya niya. Papatay pa kanya.
True. Grabe nga guys. Ano ba? Mumuran ba? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Umuran.
Mumuran na. Rain na yun eh.
Tingwana kay Niagara.
May tayo lang yung kahit ako.
Tapos si Kuya may kain eh, may ganyan.
Blessing.
Blessing na. Thank you,
Yes.
Lord.
Wait. Nasa tiyang picture.
Blessing, gamot, healthy.
Yes.
More-
Bala mo yung rainbow. Permanent yata yung rainbow eh. Kasi magmula lang din. Hindi ako. Ciao. Ayun. Grabe.
Mag-tour ka na lalam.
Grabe.
Namuring ayop po kasayada. They're
Wape.
happy.
I wish Carson is here and honey.
Pati ko na nung Carson deng hayop. Deng bird.
Grabe ko something na oh. Pamingkay. Ang rainbow. Tsaka rin tamo ng din. Kailalam da rin.
Kailalam na rin tao rin. So, adwa pala ilang akakit datin. Akakit tayo talobo nun din eh.
Yeah, pinchawa o lalawin tayo talobo.
Tsaka rin divorce tamo rin.
Tsaka ratang magkay, ratang mag-cruise.
Wow. Uy,
Katang
kakit
boat.
na oh, the bird.
Ay, kakit na.
Hello, cutie pie. Hello. Oh, so cute.
Anyali tayo.
Oh my God, live papa-video yan.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Ibong pipit.
Papa-video yan na yun.
Ay, may video ka.
Hello.
Mga classmate ko. Pero ito yung salitan doon ng Kenny mo. Tin Kenny Philip na ng table rock. Ha? Ali, bibisa ka. Picture ang kaya kay mahalo na siya.
Hindi ko.
Aliya.
Sabi na. Makakadilim galing na.
Ha?
Makakadilim. Tata naman.
Which one?
Galing tamo sa akin.
Bawal o tayo. Ring alam mo mukha
Ano
na.
yun? Atay, laylay.
Where is she?
Ikaw ba lang ano? Ayan o, buo niya o. Kiring buo. Oh, dyan yan. Nadya o. Ano ginto kayo?
Wow. Just can't believe it. Can't believe it. Tayo natin pakita kita side namin natin parang tara. Ang pinagkakaguluhan nila dito. Grabe pin eh. Tara, sundan natin yung mabango.
When is that you? Mama, is that you?
Ano yung gaganda na? Ayoko dito, Teng. Crowded. Tara. Magtatanakin kayo. Salita ng danon.
Kahit ang wala lang ako.
Kaya luwagdaan po ito manakit ang kahit eh. Something is interesting. Grabe yung rainbow eh. Kaya may ako yung rainbow.
Rainbow buo niya o. Ay, tangakay na o. Rainbow niya pa yun yun.
Ay, Nico.
Yung record ka mo?
Oh, hanggang mag-record ka.
Mag-selfie lang. Napicturean mo kaya rainbow. Picture mo. Nandara.
Picture or video?
So we're here inside the bus, going back to Lithuania.